Here are 5 real-world ways an AI chatbot can save you time and money in your business. Now, there's been so much hype about AI over the last 6 months since OpenAI launched their AI to the world. And examples of how smart AI is has been popping up everywhere, like the chart that shows that Chatgpt can pass reading and writing tests and even the US bar exam. Or the research study that showed people actually preferred hearing medical advice from ChatGPT over real doctors. Now, this is all great, but if you own a business, the most important question is, how can I use AI to save time and money in my business? Well, today we're going to go through 5 ways AI can help your business. Number 1, use an AI chatbot to handle customer questions. This is my absolute favorite because businesses can save a lot of time and money with this. Now, every day your business via your website gets asked the same questions over and over again, and you dedicate a lot of employee resource to answer those questions. What if you took all those questions with the answers and put them into an AI chatbot on your website? So instead of a customer submitting a contact us form or deciding to call your business, the chatbot answers those questions in a real human way, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Imagine if you could reduce the questions a real employee in your business has to answer by 40 to 50%, maybe even more. What difference would that make to your business? Now, the other hidden advantage of this is the fact that today many website visitors simply don't even bother to submit a question if they can't find the answer to your website. This means lost revenue for your business. So, what are the advantages? Well, you can save 40 to 50% of your time answering customer questions, potentially even more depending on what goes on in your business. And very importantly, you avoid the lost revenue by making it easy for customers to get the answers they want. Now, very importantly, there are some watch outs. Make sure you've got the right AI software to ensure you produce the right answers to customer questions. And make sure you've got a smart process to capture the customer questions and train your chatbot in the right way. I'm going to shoot a future video explaining the process that I use that works quite well. All right, the second way is use an AI chatbot to answer internal employee questions. Every day, your employees are asking each other questions about the business. For example, an employee might ask, what is the procedure to order something? Where is document X on the share drive? How do you handle a customer inquiry? Have you ever been told by someone to go find the answer on the company intranet? Well, it's pretty frustrating. All of this takes up a lot of time for the employee and the person trying to answer their question. It's even worse for a new employee trying to find an answer to some of these questions. What if you simply train a chatbot to answer all of these internal questions? Recently, I trained a chatbot for a business on a piece of government legislation. My client was frequently looking up this legislation, and the problem was it was 188 pages of hard work to find an answer to a question. You really needed to be a lawyer. Well, we trained an AI chatbot on the legislation, and now their employees simply ask the chatbot the question and get an answer in seconds rather than minutes or hours of wading through 188 pages. So the advantages are really clear. Massive time savings for employees, and it's really what an intranet should be. Of course, there are some watch outs here. Firstly, make sure you use the right AI software to ensure you produce the right answers to these employee questions, and make sure you've got a really smart process to capture the employee questions and train your chatbot in the right way. And there's definitely a right way to do this, and I'll shoot a future video explaining the process that I use that works quite well. Number 3 is data visualization and analysis. If you've got a lot of data in your business, you will know that sometimes it's hard to see a trend or a problem because the answer is buried in massive spreadsheets or databases. What if you could feed this data into AI and get it to provide the visualizations and insights in seconds? That's what researchers did when they gave Chatgpt with Code Interpreter data on crime statistics in San Francisco. Chatgpt generated really interesting visualizations of the data that would take an analyst days or weeks to develop. What is really amazing is that Chatgpt with Code Interpreter can go one step further and provide insights and a hypothesis about the data and what should be done next. That's insane and opens up the world of data analysis to medium and small businesses who previously just didn't have the resources or expertise to do this type of analysis. Number 4 is capture and filter sales leads. Many businesses get clients applying or inquiring for their products and services. You might then get someone in sales to call up the client and have a discussion to see if they are the right fit and if you can help them. What if an AI chatbot could have a conversation with a client, ask the right questions, and then determine if your business can help them? This is absolutely possible with AI. Now, the advantage of this is obvious. You get a sales force that always provides the right answers, never has a bad day, and most importantly, is instantly available 24/7 if a customer has a question, and anyone who has ever sold anything online knows that you need to respond to web inquiries within minutes in order to improve your opportunity to get that sale. Now, one big success factor here with this opportunity is that you must train your AI chatbot the right way with the right commands. This is called prompt writing and is definitely the difference between success and failure in sales with AI. Now, number 5 is book appointments. Many businesses spend a lot of time and money handling bookings over the phone. Sure, we have seen the rise of online calendar bookings where you pick a time that works for you, but AI takes this further by being able to book times via SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or email in natural language. You can also do voice bookings with AI where a client has a simple conversation with a natural sounding AI voice. The benefits are obvious. Being able to take bookings 24/7 in a hassle-free, client-friendly way can only help increase sales and reduce the overhead of having a human take bookings. So there you have 5 ways AI can not only save you time and money, but also help you sell more. Now, if you've got any questions about AI in your business, drop a question in the comments below or ask a question via the description or send us an email. I'd love to help you with the world of AI.